You enter your password. Windows signs in. Then everything goes black. Don't panic. This is a common help desk ticket. First, we need to ask the right questions. Did Windows update recently? Can you move the mouse? Does it happen every time you log in? Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete and open Task Manager. If Windows Explorer isn't responding, restart Explorer.exe. Many black screen issues are solved with this simple step. If that doesn't work, boot into safe mode, check for recent Windows updates, update or roll back the graphics driver, and run System File Checker to repair corrupted Windows files. Review Event Viewer to identify errors before the black screen. The most common causes are corrupted display drivers, failed Windows updates, damaged system files, or a corrupted user profile. After the repair, restart the computer, verify the desktop loads correctly, and confirm the user can open applications without the black screen returning. Here's today's IT lesson. A black screen after login doesn't always mean your computer is dead. Most cases are software related, and with the right troubleshooting steps, they can be fixed without reinstalling Windows. That's how real help desk professionals solve this problem. This is just the quick version. Watch the full tutorial on our channel for a complete step-by-step walkthrough. Don't forget to subscribe for more IT help desk, networking, cybersecurity content, and more. Thank you for watching IT Step by Step. See you in the next one.